Trick or treat can be a lot of fun for kids, but it can turn into a nightmare for homeowners. 22 News reporter Matt Karen joins us live in the studio with some tips for keeping your property safe.
Well, the question is, have you ever thought about what would happen if a child got hurt while visiting your door? 22 News did some digging and found out that it's the homeowner who bears the burden of liability.
Halloween night, time for kids to take to the streets, going door to door. Many times entering properties they've never entered before. Let's say one of those kiddos trips and gets hurt. Did you know you're responsible?
No, I wasn't aware, but I certainly would do everything to make it correct.
And what if one of those kids goes home and chokes on your candy? According to the Insurance Center of New England, you're responsible. The Insurance Center's Dean Florian told 22 News trick-or-treaters are considered visitors under your homeowner's or renter's policy.
Most importantly, make sure your homeowner's policy is in full force, because if there is an injury, the claim will undoubtedly, a serious injury, undoubtedly end up on your homeowner's policy and covered under your medical payments coverage, and if it's serious, your personal liability coverage.
A yard like this one in the Forest Park section of Springfield can spell trouble for both trick-or-treaters and homeowners. There's caution tape surrounding an excavated hole in the front yard, and the pathway to the door is partially obstructed by chunks of grass. Experts say make sure those walkways are clear of anything that could trip somebody up. If you have outdoor lighting, don't run the wires across a path. Try using battery-operated candles in those jack-o'-lanterns instead of a real flame. And be aware that overexposure to fog machines can irritate a person's eyes. But people told 22 News it's no fun to be too cautious.
I would hope that if somebody came to my house and their child got injured, I would help them as much as I could. But I would hope that they wouldn't completely hold me responsible. I mean, unless my stairs were broken or something, in which case, don't come to my house. Lights are off.
And Halloween got so safety-oriented about 10 years ago that some websites offered Halloween candy liability waiver forms that people could print out and give to the trick-or-treaters' parents before they could get their candy. Live in the studio, Matt Karen, 22 News.